Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into the new Strawberry model of ChatGPT that apparently is way better than the GPT-4o model, specifically with reasoning abilities. In this video, we will walk you through a test of the model for you to see how it works in real time. Okay, so let's get right into it. To give you some background, according to OpenAI, GPT-4o, which was OpenAI's smartest model, scored a 22 on their hardest jailbreak test, which is basically used to assess how a model follows safety rules if a user tries to bypass them. On the other hand, the Strawberry model for Preview O1 scored an 84. Also, in a test run on taking the math exam for the International Mathematics Olympiad, GPT-4o scored a 13%, while the Strawberry model scored an 83%, while also placing the 89th percentile in Codeforce's competitions. Lastly, before we show an example, we thought it was really cool that apparently this model exceeds PhD level accuracy for physics, biology, and chemistry problems, according to OpenAI. Now, these are some high standards to hold this model to, but if it is all true, this is going to be groundbreaking for OpenAI. So let's put it to the test ourselves. First, we have to change the model we're using here with the drop-down menu and select O1 Preview. It is to be noted that this is a preview model as it was just released and you only get 30 messages per week currently. For this example, we're going to take an SAT math question and see if the model will give us the correct answer, which, just so you know, the correct answer is answer choice D. So let's copy and paste this and run it. Something that is noted about this model is that it does take a bit longer to answer questions currently, so it will be interesting to see if OpenAI works on making it faster. Okay, so here we go. So the model did get the question right with a chain of thought explanation, which is pretty cool. It is very encouraging that it can answer the questions, but I would be cautious with asking complex questions without multiple choice options, as I've seen sometimes it has been giving slightly wrong answers due to it being new. Let's go ahead and give that a try actually. So we'll copy this question and the correct answer, just so you know, is 2a minus 1 equals 4y. Let's see if the model will give us the same answer. So there you have it. It gives us something that technically is incorrect. My thoughts are these are just some wrinkles that need to be ironed out as it just released very recently. But it definitely can be trusted when it needs to pick between given solutions rather than create its own. All in all, Preview O1 is a cool new model that I feel like will be strengthened in the coming months. It has encouraging signs and definitely some features that need to be fine-tuned, so we will keep a lookout for new updates. We hope you enjoyed this video and please hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.